Hi, in this video we're going through how to edit the menu in your WordPress website. My name's Dan and this is WP Update. Welcome, my name's Dan, I'm a senior software engineer and full stack WordPress developer with WP Update. In this video we're going through how to edit the main menu on your WordPress website. So let's start by heading to the WordPress dashboard. So just WP-admin. And away you go. Now, if you're not logged in or you don't know how to log in, that's okay. There's a link in the description below to a video that'll take you through it. Now, in order to do this, you'll need to have an editor level account or above. If you don't have one of those or you can't see this appearance menu on the left-hand side, it means you'll need to ask the website administrator for elevated privileges, or you'll need to ask them to do this for you. Head over to the left to appearance, mouse over it, not click, mouse over, and then head to menus. Now, in this case, we only have one menu, so that's okay. But if you have other menus up the top here, there may be a little select box or a drop down that allows you to change which menu you're looking at. If that's the case, click that, then click select, and that'll bring up the correct one. Now, you can see here, this relates to the menu that we have on the home page. So let's just pop that in a different tab. And you can see there, home, breaking, tech, entertainment, and travel. Home, breaking, tech, entertainment, and travel. Now, what I'd like to do here is add our new lorem ipsum pages that we created for the other exercises. So what we want to do is click on the pages we're going to add, click add to menu, and you can see here that's added them, but it's not kept the nesting. So we want to keep that nesting to make it nice and easy. So you can just drag that over and you can see that creates a little border around the outside to show you where you are. That's all good. And we're going to pop this all the way up in front of the tech box. So what we've done there is created a nested menu and, a nested menu item, I should say, and we've moved this. So scroll all the way down to the bottom and then click save. So that's just behind the blue button there. That's been done. You'll get the little message up the top. Whoops. You'll get the little message up the top there. Let's head back out to the site. So just in a different tab. And then we want to do a hard refresh. So that is Control on your keyboard or Command if you're on a Mac, and then double tap the R button. There we go. And you can see now we have breaking, the lorem ipsum, and the submenu, and then we go into the other categories. And that's home, breaking, lorem ipsum with the submenu, and then into the other categories. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Check out the videos on the left for some more tips. Or if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell so you get notified every time we post a new WordPress tip. Stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you in the next video.